Today at BelMetric, we're going to show you how to measure and install retaining rings. These versatile fasteners are used for part retention in housings and shafts. A retaining ring may also be called a C-clip, circlip, or snap ring. On BelMetric.com, there are two different types of retaining rings, internal and external. Although they look similar at first glance, there is a simple way to tell them apart by looking at the tabs. If the tabs face the inside edge of the ring, it is an internal ring. If the tabs face the outside edge of the ring, it is an external ring. Please note that the smaller external rings under 10 mm look slightly different than the large external rings. Both internal and external retaining rings require specialized snap ring pliers for installation and removal. These snap ring pliers have pins on the head that align with the holes in the tabs of the retaining rings. Snap ring pliers are not universal and come in many sizes, so it is important to determine the correct measurements for your retaining rings. This information, plus helpful, explanatory diagrams, are available on BelMetric.com. First, we will begin with an external ring. First, we use a caliper to determine the outer diameter of our pin. Do not measure inside the groove. As you can see, it measures approximately 10 mm, so we will need a 10 mm ring. Then use your caliper to measure the groove. This one is approximately 1 mm. Now you can find the correct retaining ring on BelMetric.com. Before installing your retaining ring, you should put on protective eyewear. Align your pliers with the eyes of the rings and apply pressure. Make sure the retaining ring is snug inside the groove. Now we will demonstrate the process for an internal ring. When we measure the diameter, we can see it is approximately 40 mm. Align your pliers with the eyes and apply pressure. Make sure the ring is installed within the groove. You can find all of our external retaining rings on BelMetric.com. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.